One of the most important things that you do as a YouTube creator is not only upload your videos, but also make custom thumbnails. Now that feature is not available to you automatically, it's actually something that you have to enable, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video tutorial. So let's go ahead and jump into it. What is going on, everybody? My name is Noble, and like I said, today we are going to enable not only custom thumbnails, but also live streams, and we'll talk about that here in just a sec. Let's just go ahead and get started by opening up our web browser and heading over to our YouTube channel. Now I'm actually on my main channel here, but we're gonna head over to our channel. This is our brand new gaming account that we just started. Now we started to upload some videos already, but as you guys can see, I do not have custom thumbnails because once again, I don't have that enabled. That is not something that is enabled automatically. You have to actually go and do that yourself. So in order to do that, we're gonna click on the top right button where your icon should be here, and we're going to scroll down to settings. Now from here, we're going to click on channel status and features, and that's going to bring us to this page. Now whenever you first make your channel, you have your default features enabled, and those are the ability to upload videos, create playlists, add collaborators to your playlist, and add new videos to existing playlists. Now the things you don't have are really more of the important things. So if we actually click on here, features that require phone verification, this will allow us to make videos longer than 15 minutes. It will allow us to make custom thumbnails, all of which are very important. And along with that, we can also live stream and appeal content ID claims. Now, the reason that you want to do this by phone verification is Google is just trying to make sure you are who you say you are, right? They want to make sure that it's actually you. Now, there's a couple of reasons for this. Number one, they want to make sure that you're not uploading just horribly bad content that's going to affect them and possibly other creators as well, depending on the type of stuff that you upload. And whenever you're able to get monetized, they want to make sure that you are who you say you are, so that they can pay you out and do everything on the up and up. So that's why you kind of have to do this. So all you have to do is click verify phone number here, and that's going to bring you to this page. Now there's a couple of ways that you can do this. You can do it by text verification, but for the purposes of this video and so that I can record it so you guys see and hear what's actually happening as it happens, I'm gonna have them call me with an automated message. You're obviously gonna put your phone number here. You don't need to know what mine is, but I'm going to enter it and block it out real quick. So let me do that. And then from there, we're gonna click on get code. All right, so now what should happen is we're gonna get a phone call. You guys can hear that right now. I'm going to open it.
Thank you for using Google Phone Verification. Remember, you should not share this code with anyone else, and no one from Google will ever ask for this code. Your code is, again, your code is.
So I just wanted you guys to be able to hear that. Now, obviously, as you guys heard, you should never share your code with anybody. So I went ahead and bleeped it out. But once you've got your code, I've actually put mine in here already. All you have to do is click on submit. And there you go. Congratulations. Your phone number is now verified. That is fantastic. So we now have some verification. So we should have these features. There you go. We've got the features enabled for us, and we also got advanced features along with that. So once again, the intermediate features are the videos that are longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and appealing content ID claims. And then we also got advanced features, which is create more live streams in one day, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, enable live streams, and the eligibility for applying to monetization. Now, once again, we are super far away from that. I'm gonna close this out here. We can actually see I've only got 11 subscribers right now, but we are pretty much set up. So now we can live stream, now we can make custom thumbnails, now we have all the basic stuff that we need in order to create a good, decent channel. So if you guys like this tutorial or anything else that I do, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you have any questions about your YouTube channel, Twitch, or anything else, please leave those down in the comments. I will address them as soon as possible. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video.